We love Hakka，and
I Hakka。We
love Hakka。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This whole month, we're asking you for help. Well, no, we're actually teaching you how to say the phrase help. 怎么说帮忙呢？
天数
all right? 帮忙常常呢，什么状况呢？可能会真的需要人帮忙哦，
而且要很多人
搬家。
对
对。Whenever someone is moving, whenever you have a friend that's moving, you're always gonna help them or you're gonna hear them asking for help. 因为搬家真的是一件很辛苦的事。
对啊。
Let's teach you these phrases. First off, it's 帮忙。
天数
Okay, that's to help. 好 let's put you in this situation. You're moving. 谢谢你们来帮忙. Thank you guys for coming to help.
大棚唔掉来天数。
大棚唔掉来天数。
大棚唔掉就是好家在有你们的来帮忙啊。
通常我会想到俺只 say 而已啊，既然是大棚唔掉 that means thank you guys for coming to help 来天数。
对
这学起来 OK。 那当然呢要恭喜对方搬家了嘛恭喜你搬新家。
恭喜
恭喜
入新屋
入新屋。
恭喜入新屋。
恭喜就是恭喜你 Congratulations to you。 然后
入新屋进了新的家就是搬了一个家了。入厝
这样子。入新屋。新屋 means a new house. 入 means to enter a new house.
进去了。
That actually means to move into a new house. And of course the least that one can do is to treat them to dinner, right? 应该这个时候要请这些帮忙的人吃个饭。
对啊，所以呢今天来帮忙，我今天请大家吃饭就请你们吃饭。
是，今天请你们吃饭怎么说？
金本日抢唔到食饭金本日抢唔到食饭。
All right, let's review all these phrases such as 谢谢你们 that means thank you all.
大棚唔掉
I like it because it's different from 俺只 say. And then to congratulate 恭喜
恭喜
and to move into a new house 搬新家
入新屋。
Okay, that is moving into a new house. And this whole month is all about the phrase help 帮忙
天数
and there you have it. Congratulations 大家搬新家。
快点赶快搬完我们来去吃饭了。
真的要 housewarming 啦 OK, that's today's Practical Hakka.
什么太感
俺只 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.